Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the error, which is common error, which is coming in MS Excel. Okay. So one by one, I am discussing the different kind of errors and how to solve that error. Okay. This we will discuss with you. Okay. So let's start the common errors. So I'm giving a heading: common errors. Okay. Or different errors. So first, and before doing these things, so I want to merge these two cells for writing. Okay, so how you merge these two cells? So go to home and you can see merge, and merge option is over here. Click here, you can see it will make it one. So I'm writing different error. Okay, for you. Different error. Okay, so one by one writing the each and every error. Okay, so I'm writing the different error: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm discussing about 6 error, common error, which is first one is you can get this type of error. Okay, and second one you get, I'm just increase size for you. You can see easily. Second one is hatch, div, this is the exclamation sign. Then hatch name. Next one is hatch value. I am also discuss with you why these things happen. Okay, hatch ref hatch num. Okay, these errors. So I'm making the position, proper position. So one by one I'm discussing each and every errors. So first coming to the point number 1, this one. So I'm giving a color for solving this one. So first I'm discussing the green one. Okay, how these things appear. So suppose this is a box size. If I write my name or doing some calculation, suppose I'm writing 4, 5, 9, 8, 6, and the next line I'm writing, sorry, I'm writing 4, 5, a long number and also a long number. Okay, if I multiply these two, suppose is equal to this cell into this cell number and press enter, I'm getting a result. If I small this one, okay, and we get this type of error due to the size of the boxes, okay, size of the column, it will happen, it will appear. So how you solve it? You just increase the size as per the requirement and it will solve the error. Okay, now second one, div, this error. How you get this error? Suppose this is the empty cell and the number. Suppose I'm writing 45. If I multiply is equal to multiply this cell into this cell and press enter, you get 0. So there is no value. Okay. So for getting this error, you simply write Suppose, or you can do it, suppose 0 is here, and if I divide is equal to this number divided by this number. If I press enter, we get this type of error. Okay, or if I sort it, and we can get only this error. Okay, or suppose there's blank value. If I delete, and this one is equal to enter, also we get the same type of value, error. Okay, this is the error. So how you solve it? Make sure when you are doing a calculation, the boxes doesn't give a 0 or a blank. Okay, if it's 0 or blank, same thing happen. If I provide 5, then next line will automatically change. Okay, so this is the reason getting the error. Okay, now, so why I'm getting the value of name question, sorry, it's the name question mark. Okay, so how we get this error? And this one name also /0. Now, how we get this error? For getting this error, the rules is the text in the formula is not recognized by Excel. Okay, so the formula is not recognized by the Excel. That's why it will appear. Okay, means suppose you're doing a calculation. Okay, suppose you do a calculation not recognized, means suppose you are having the value 45 and suppose this one. Okay, I am writing a formula. Okay, suppose I'm writing anything and doing some calculation against this one and colon this one. There is no formula. This formula not present in the Excel. So I'm writing it again and I'm pressing enter. So we get this error. So avoiding this error, make sure whatever formula you are using for calculation, make sure that formula present in MS Excel or is in MS Excel. Otherwise, you get this type of error. Okay, suppose I'm adding. So for adding, required sum, sum, and if I press, then you can see the result. So make sure when you are writing any formula, that formula present in MS Excel. You see the apex is the formula. Okay, you can click here. You get the several function. This is the formula. You can see function means formula over here. Several functions are there. You can select the all and we can get the different formulas are present in MS Excel. So MS Excel consists of several formulas. Okay, so when you are writing any formula, so if you click here and you get the description about that formula. Okay, see the formula is here and this is the formula and the description is the next one is the description. Okay, you can see how you write the formula. First one the bold one and the normal without bold sentence is called the normal description about the formula. Clear? Now how we get this type of formula which is hatch value not equivalent to sign. Okay, this formula indicates cells that contain different data types. Suppose I have a value which is SDF. Okay, and there is the value is 65. If I am doing calculation this one plus or multiply this one and press enter and you get this value. So two different things. Okay, as one is sentence and one is the number. Okay, that's why problem happens. Suppose I'm writing here the sentence. If I change, same thing happens because we cannot doing any calculation between two sentences. Okay, if I doing the plus over here, plus, then you can see same thing happen here. So we are doing this calculation based on number. So I'm putting over the number and you can see the problem will resolve. Okay, so when you are doing any calculation make sure you are doing calculation between numbers. Okay, or for if you use the different kind of value, that time it will happen again. Okay, for RDF, this one appears. Suppose I'm using a 3 column over here. Suppose for example 52, this one 85, this one 49. I am doing addition. For addition, the formula is SUM, sum is the formula, bracket, starting point, colon, the ending point, then bracket close, press enter, we get the result. Clear? But somehow I delete this entire column. Okay, see the error is appear REF. See the or REF, because we are doing a calculation between two columns or two cells, whatever it is, and somehow one column is deleted, we get the error because there is two. If I control Z, if I delete this one, okay, value is deleted. Now if I delete this one, you can get all having the error. Okay, so addition purpose we are not getting this error. So if I use the anything else, suppose control Z, if I doing the multiplication over here, we multiply this one into this one, and if I delete this column, see this is the error. Clear? So how we solve it? Make sure if you're doing, click here and you can see here, you can see the bar F8. Okay, you can see here F8 star has REF because this cell is omitted. So we are not getting this cell. So that's why this type of error appear. So when you are getting this type of error, make sure your data is appropriate. Okay. Now, what is this error? Okay, so suppose I am doing a calculation of formula. Suppose I have a value is 49. 49 is square root of 7, right? Now, if I write the formula SQRT, square root, then you take the number. I'm taking this number. Okay, bracket enter. There is no error. If I'm doing a calculation minus suppose 256, okay, and if I write equal to SQRT this number, and we get the error. See, we get the error. If I change it to positive, then you can see error is removed. So for negative value, few method having a problem, that time we are getting this type of error. Okay, if I get this error, make sure you look the cell to which value you are calculating. Okay, you are calculating with this value. So when you are getting this type of error, you just look which value you are taking for calculation. You just change the value, or you just verify whether the value is correct or not. Okay, I hope the error portion is easy to solve. Now we are discussing three type of cell references. Okay, there's type of cell references. I'm writing the three references. So I'm erasing this one. So I'm writing cell references. So cell references. One more I'm writing. So I'm writing one more. First one is relative cell references. So I am writing the name only. relative cell references. Second one is the absolute cell reference. So absolute cell references, and the last one is the mixed cell references. Mixed cell references. I am erasing the remaining portions. We use delete to delete the entire thing. So I use the delete of key. Now one by one I am discussing about this one. So suppose I am writing here few values for each and everything. See, for 3 different line I am writing 3 different. Okay, and 2, 5, 9. Okay, so I am discussing about relative cell referencing over here, and absolute over here, and mixed for here. So first I am writing is equal to. Okay, suppose I am calculation between this one and this one. Simply multiply for each and every. Okay, so nothing else. Suppose you are writing equal to, click here, multiply this one, and you can see the value is E4 and F4. Normally cell number is written over here, and if press enter and got the result, there is no problem. Okay, the referencing means this one, this portion you can see E4 and F4 is a cell number that one normally written in your formula. E4 and F4. Okay, but we can also write the cell number in different way. That is called the absolute cell referencing. What is that? If I write is equal to, if I click here, okay, if I press F4, okay, then you can see a dollar is appear for each and every letter. Means E, dollar E, and 5 means $5. This is the absolute cell referencing, and multiply with this 5, then enter is called the absolute cell referencing. Absolute cell referencing means this one. This one called the absolute cell referencing, $E and $5. Okay, those who are using the laptop, please use function F4. Function F4 means Fn key plus F4 for getting the absolute cell reference. Okay, now for last one, mixed cell referencing. If I write is equal to, okay, then I'm clicking over here. For mixed cell referencing means sometime dollar is here, the $4, and suppose I multiply with this one. If I write dollar over here, see there is mixed. You can see the first portion and you can see the next portion. The first is not having dollar, the second one not having dollar. It's a mixed. This is a fully. Both are having dollar. Both position having dollar. Here is one having dollar. Is also giving the answer. Okay, but this is called the mixed cell referencing. Okay, I hope you are clear for it. Okay, so what is the meaning of dollar? First we need to know what is the meaning of dollar. This dollar meaning. The dollar meaning is lock the row or column. Dollar lock the row or column. Suppose you are writing $F4 means the column is fixed. Row you can change. If you write F$6 means the cell is row is fixed but column is unfixed, it's changeable. Okay, but if you write the both $F and $6, you cannot change any portion or any column. It will be fixed for program. Clear? These are different cells. Okay, in next video I will discuss with you different kind of function present in MS Excel. Okay, and how to solve, how to bring some calculation from the Excel. Okay, so those who are new in my channel, please like, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon.